Yeah, Sean.
Play this up.
Okay. Sean on audio, Brendan on camera,
Zara on audio behind the scenes.
and
James on camera behind the scenes.
all right, let's go.
Good evening, mate, and welcome to another
clock show about clocks.
It's too late for you to be laughing.
Isn't exactly it's not a clock. It's actually a thermometer. And on to the next showcase.
No, we're not going anywhere yet, mate. Get back here. Let's go.
All right, here is a bongo drum.
Bongo drum, mate.
It's made of wood and it's real drummy. On to the next showcase. Right here we got an easy jib. It's real big.
It's against the dark background. I don't think they could recognize it, eh? Let's pull it out so the suckers
Go
can
ahead
see.
and move it for you.
What do you think?
It's a real big jib.
That's right, mate. It's
The
a big
technical
jib.
term is an easy jib. I can't do an accent very